So this is demo cat for the abdominal muscles. The external oblique, right? It's on the side, it's most superficial, and its fibers go down and in like hands in your pocket. External oblique. Underneath that is the internal oblique. Next layer down, and its fibers go perpendicular to the external oblique. The deepest one is the transverse abdominis. Its fibers run horizontal. Okay, so we had external oblique, outermost, fibers go hands in your pocket. Internal oblique, next layer, fibers run this way. The deepest is the transverse abdominis, fibers run more horizontal. Close to the midline, we have the rectus abdominis. I've peeled back a piece of it. It's close to the midline, and its fibers are running vertically. Okay? Cool. Let's look at the arm since we're up here, okay? If we look at the arm, the biceps brachii. Almost looks like the cat's making a muscle, isn't it? Biceps brachii. If you see a pin underneath it, brachialis. Biceps brachii. Underneath it is brachialis. So if the biceps brachii is up here, it means that the triceps brachii is down here. But we have 3 heads of the triceps brachii. We have the medial head. This is the separation. Medial head. The long head is in the armpit. And then the lateral head. So you can see how they separate. Right? Triceps brachii, lateral head, long head, and then the smallest one, I'll make that separation a little bit better, is the medial head. Medial head, long head, lateral head. Okay? If you see a pin right on the shoulder, it would be the deltoid. Yay. All right. The hardest part by far is the legs. Every time I give this is where people miss the most points, and you will see a kitty's leg. The superficial layer, we have the sartorius, lateral, and the gracilis. Right? So you're going to memorize it. Superficial layer, sartorius, gracilis. Underneath the sartorius are the quads. This side's not dissected. Underneath the sartorius are the quads. Once you know where you're at, it's a lot easier. So once you know under the sartorius are the quads, hot dog in a bun. The middle is the rectus femoris, vastus medialis, and then on the outside here is vastus lateralis. Okay, hot dog is rectus femoris, vastus medialis, vastus lateralis. Then the one up here, that's a small muscle with a long tendon, tensor fascia lata. Okay? Then, so underneath the sartorius are the quads, underneath the gracilis are the groin muscles. Okay? This is what I put on the board last week to help you memorize the order. Underneath the gracilis are the groin. The highest one, pectineus. Adductor longus. Cat muscle you don't have to know. Semimembranosus, semitendinosus. Okay, underneath the gracilis are the groin. Highest one is the pectineus, adductor longus, cat muscle, you don't have to know, semimembranosus, semitendinosus. The leg, the calf, gastrocnemius is most superficial. Underneath it is the soleus. Gastrocnemius, soleus. If I flip little demo cat over, we can see from here up is the trapezius, right? Trapezius. Down here, latissimus dorsi. So if you see a pin anywhere from here up, trapezius, here down, latissimus dorsi. On the cat's butt, we've got only 2 muscles to know. Gluteus medius, more superior, gluteus maximus, lower. Making sure, yeah. Gluteus medius, the higher one, gluteus maximus. The last muscle is the biceps femoris. Remember, the other two hamstring muscles we happen to see on this view, semimembranosus, semitendinosus. But the lateral hamstring muscle, this whole thing, biceps femoris. Thank you. Thank you very much.